Hello future CAs, welcome back to my channel again. So I am on a mission to help you ace your CA exams with confidence and clarity. So this video will help you get closer to your goal of becoming a chartered accountant. So CA final Group 2 November exams are closer than you think. And if you are still wondering how to complete the syllabus, how to revise and how to score well, don't worry. In this video I will clarify everything. So I am sharing a complete 150-day study and revision planner in this video. So there is subject-wise strategy, revision cycle and smart tips that toppers actually use and much more. So if you want clarity and structure and zero last-minute stress, this plan is exactly what you need. So let's break it down and start your preparation the right way. Guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe for more CA exam related guidance, tips and strategies. So this is the summary of the study plan. This is for CA Final Group 2 and this is a 150-day plan. It's starting from 8th June. Now suppose any one of your attempt is next year. Suppose it's in May 27 or November 27. And if 150 days are left for your exams and that time if you come across this video, you can still follow this study plan because along with the plan and the date, I have given the day number also so that you can follow the plan accordingly. Also, this is just a summary and I have converted this entire 150-day study plan into a day-by-day subject-wise PDF. So, please stay with me till the end to know how you can get this PDF. So, let's have a look at the plan now. So, from day number 1 to day number 80, that is from 8th June to 26th June. So here you will be going through the first study round and also MCQ practice, plus you will be attempting the previous year papers as well. So once you complete every chapter at that time itself, it's better to study the previous year papers. And also as we are aware that MCQ is very important because in DT and IDT MCQ is for 30 marks and in IPS it's for 40 marks. So daily we have to practice MCQ. So in every day one slot we have kept for MCQ practice itself. So that every day if you practice MCQ, in the real exam you will be able to attempt the MCQ accurately as well as in the fast speed. And since there is no negative marking, we should try to score as much marks as possible in the MCQ part itself. And in the first study round, ensure you go through the study material properly. Go through the test your knowledge section also. And also for DT and IDT, go through the section numbers, provisions, etc. And you can prepare a separate notes also for this. And then for IBS, actually, previously I have made many videos for IBS, different strategies, how to solve the case study, how to read the case study and understand. And then from IBS viewpoint, how you should prepare AFM, how you should prepare IDT, how you should prepare group 1 subject and many more videos. So for all of this I have made a separate playlist called as IBS. I will add it to the end screen. So you can watch those videos and you can get clarity on how to prepare for IBS. So as I mentioned earlier, for DT and IDT you can prepare notes and also Saransh is also there. However, your own handwritten notes if you have prepared, that will be easier. Then from day number 81 to 98, that is 27th August to 13th September. So here what you will do is you will start with the revision. So always while revising, start the chapters with the highest weightage first. And then you can revise the other chapters. However, do not ignore any chapter from the syllabus. Next from day 99 to day 104, that is 14th September to 19th September. So here you will continue revision. And then you will attempt mock test paper series 1 and also you will analyze the mock test paper. So on 14th September you will revise DT and then on 15th September afternoon you will attempt the mock test paper. So on for the other subjects also. Now for this mock test paper, just writing won't be sufficient. You should analyze it also. So basically the ICI will host the answers of the mock test paper on the BOS knowledge portal. So after you finish writing the mock test paper, please download the mock test paper answer and compare your answer with the IC answer and check what you have done error. Like in DT IDT, check whether you mentioned wrong section number or you mentioned wrong provision. And for IBS, you can check whether you were unable to understand the case study or whether you were unable to correlate the case study with the different strategic models, or if you were unable to correlate with which subject it is. And also you must ensure you presented the answer correctly, and also check whether you were able to complete the answer within the time. That is for DT and IDT 3 hours and for IBS 4 hours. And also you have to check if a question came from any chapter which you didn't study. And for IBS, you must see whether you were able to refer the index correctly and whether you were able to take out the topics from the books and whether you were able to answer correctly. So on for each of the 3 subjects, you must analyze and note it down in one place. Because in the upcoming days, you will be working on the errors which you have noted down here, so that by the final exam comes, you will be completely ready. And one more thing is, while attempting the MTP of DT and IDT, you can attempt it from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Whereas for IBS MTP, you can attend from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. Because the IBS exam is for 4 hours, right? Now, before going ahead with the revision plan, next up on the screen, you can see some feedbacks. So these are the feedbacks of the students who have used my previous study planner. So previously also I had prepared some study plans, and the students who followed this planner saw huge improvement. So this feedbacks made me also very happy. So many of them finished their syllabus on time and they were able to clear their exams, and they also felt more confident before the exam. So now you can see the feedbacks here. So students found this study planner helpful and they were able to follow this easily as well. So previously I had got request many times to convert the study plan into a PDF. That's why this time I have made a PDF also for that. So these planners have been really very useful for many of the students. So you can see the various feedbacks here. So now coming back to the study planner. So that's exactly why I have created this new 150-day study and revision plan to make your preparation stress-free too. So don't just watch the plan, follow it too. So I have converted this entire strategy into a detailed step-by-step PDF planner that tells you exactly what to study every day for the next 150 days. So it includes daily subject-wise scheduling, revision cycles, slots for mock test paper practice, and a smart strategy to avoid burnout. So basically this study and revision planner will include the following. First, study round planning, including daily subject-wise slot. Smart rotation between the 3 subjects, that is DT, IDT and IBS, to maximize your scores. So since we are aware that the passing criteria is 40% per subject, but on aggregate we have to secure 50 marks, that is 50%. So we have to smartly rotate between each subject so that each of the subject is covered in equal proportion, because it shouldn't happen that we are studying one subject itself for days together, and by the time we reach the last subject, there won't be much time left. Plus, we would have forgotten what we studied in the first subject. So if we have studied each subject proportionately, then there are more chances of scoring the aggregate 50%. And also there are dedicated MCQ practice slots to improve speed and accuracy. And also previously I have made a video as to which are different sources from where you can practice the MCQs. So I will add that video also to the end screen. You can watch that. Out of that, one of the most important sources is the case scenario booklet. Please go through that. And also this study planner includes revision planning. So it includes structured revision cycles. And it includes mock test paper practice along with analysis slots. And also mock test paper correction slots. Then RTP practice slots. So if you want clarity instead of confusion, structure instead of stress, grab the complete planner from the link in the description and the pinned comments below. So from day number 105 to day number 122, that is 20th September to 7th October. So here you will be continuing your revision, that is revision of the other chapters, Thus, whatever mock test errors you have noted down, you will work on those errors. Then day number 123 to 128. That is 8th October to 13th October. Here you will continue revision plus attempt the mock test paper series 2 and also analyze your mock test paper answer. So here also same rules you will follow which you followed while attempting the mock test paper 1. Also your marks of mock test paper 2 should have significantly increased compared to MTP 1 because after giving MTP 1 you would have analyzed and resolved the errors also. However, after MTP 2, if still any errors are pending or if you come across any new errors, please note it down. Because some more days will be left, right? You can work on those errors. Then day number 129 to 131, that is 14th October to 16th October. Here you will practice the revision test papers. Then from day 132 to 151, 17th October to 5th November. So here if any other chapters are pending, you will revise that. Or if any errors are there which you have to work upon, you will work on those errors. Then day number 152 to 154, that is the last 3 days, 6th November to 8th November. So here you will start preparing for the paper for direct tax because it is usually better to start preparing early for the first subject. Because you will be more confident and if the first subject goes well, it will build like a positive momentum for the other exams also. So guys, remember CA is not about studying 12 to 15 hours randomly. It's about consistent planned study every single day. So this planner will help you achieve daily subject-wise revision structure, smart rotation between DT, IDT and IBS. And it also includes dedicated practice plus mock test paper analysis slot. And also we have tried to balance the practical part plus theory portion every day. And also clear daily targets to avoid procrastination. And this will also help you to reduce exam stress with systematic revision. So the link to the study and revision planner is given in the description as well as in the pinned comments below. Do check it out. So this planner is helpful for you if you are appearing for the CA Final Group 2 in November 26. It's also helpful for students who failed recently and want a disciplined comeback. And it's also helpful if you are struggling with time management and if you want clarity instead of confusion. So this is not just a timetable. It's a strategic revision system that focuses on high weightage and exam relevant areas, integrates practice with revision, includes mock test planning, maintains realistic achievable daily slots, prevents burnout through structured flow. So consistency plus structure leads to exemption level preparation. So if you want to grab this complete study and revision planner, please check the description and the pinned comments below. Follow this 150-day plan seriously and you will see a huge difference in your confidence and marks. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like and share it with your friends. And also subscribe for more CA exam related strategies, revision tips and motivation. All the best for your preparation and I will see you all in the next video.